Okay, so I'm not gonna start the video with hey guys, like literally everyone on YouTube does that, everyone. So we will think of something new.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, hope everyone is fine and keeping safe. So today we are going to do the unboxing of the S20 Plus. I have it in the color red over here. I know this video is coming out very late, but due to the lockdown, many of us could not go out and check the phone physically ourselves. I'm in the same boat, so this would be the first time I would be checking out the phone myself. And also very less information was there on the red color. We have a lot of reviews on the standard colors, but on the red I could not find much, so I decided to do a video myself. So what we have here is the S20 Plus 5G version in the red color. I have the standard 128 GB version. That was sufficient for me. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, pretty much excited because even I would be checking out the phone first time. Wow, this looks amazing. It's a huge phone. It's pretty big. It's 6.7-inch display, and here goes the beauty. I don't know if you can see that glow in this. It reflects different shades of red as you move it. I'm not sure if it's captured on the camera, but it is pretty impressive. It's like really flashy, glossy, and it stands out. Well, I was thinking it would be a very big phone, but it's not. Actually, it fits well in my hands. Let me just compare it with my previous phone. So this is a Note 9, what we have. So the height is pretty much the same. I don't know the dimensions actually, but what I can see here is the height is pretty much the same, while it is a little bit shorter on the breadth. So the Note 9 is a little bit much wider, but this is heavy and this is light. So, and this has a 6.4-inch display. This has a 6.7-inch display, but still it feels like it's smaller and lighter. So that's nice. It's really good to carry around. We'll keep the phone aside and we'll check what comes in the box. Okay. Yeah. So here we have that standard case, the silicon case. Some cards to read. I don't know if any one of you wants to read it. We have this pin, and yeah. Here we have that super fast charger. That's what it says. Super fast charger. And what we have here else is the USB cable. Yeah. So both the ends have the Type-C. So you can't connect it to your PC if it does not have a Type-C port. And I think on the back also here you have a Type-C port. So it's Type-C on both sides. You can connect it with your previous device, I get, to transfer data, so that would be faster. I think you can use it with the smart switch option that the Samsung gives. Then we have here is the AKG headphones. These are pretty good. All my the Samsung flagship phones have these headphones, and the sound is really amazing. Again, as expected, it does not have a 3.5mm port, so this comes with the Type-C port. What we have. This is not bad at all. It's like a little bit glossy. Then it's previous versions. I have the previous AKG headphones, but that's like a little bit matte. This is glossy, and even they have changed I think the material on the wire. So this is good, really good. Another thing that I noticed is like, it does not have any buttons on this side, so this is like really very smooth. You have the slot for your micro SD and the SIM card, and then you have buttons over here. So there's just like the volume button and the power on button. So that's good if you're using it with your right hand, so you can operate it with your thumb. But if you're using it with your left hand, I think that's a little bit uncomfortable, because your thumb is not in use and then you will have to use it with your index finger, because I normally hold it in my left hand because I want to take notes during work or something. But not bad, like it's really good. It's really premium. It really has a very, very premium feel when you hold it. Okay, just adding on, there are two key differences in this phone. When I was checking out the spec sheets, I found like this one comes with 12 GB RAM and Snapdragon 865, but in my region the other S20 Plus, like with the standard colors, were launched with an 8 GB RAM and Exynos 990. So that was an added advantage. It's like a cherry on the top that you get with this. So do check your spec sheets before you buy. So even like if you choose the color, the spec actually should not change, like that was that's how it is. But when I went into details, there was a slight difference, and like this was, as I mentioned, like cherry on the top, and I got this. So it's pretty good. Also, I have added the Samsung Buds Plus. Now these are the latest wireless headphones. These are the best that you can get actually. I've been using a couple of wireless headphones from JBL and all, but this has like the best reviews on the internet, so I would be unboxing this in my next video and also giving the feedback at the same time about this Samsung Buds. So let's check it out. Please do share and subscribe and check out more, and also the feedback for this would be coming. So I'm very excited to use this and check how it is. Huge expectations, so let's see how this goes. I'm gonna boot it up and just go ahead with the setting. Thank you guys, have a nice day. Cheers.